Can you all hear me? Okay. I will not take much time, only 2 minutes, but I need your attention. Can I request your attention, please? 2 minutes, not more than that. So, dear children, ఒకటి ఇంతకుముందు విజయరాజన్ ఒక మాట అన్నాడు. ఒక 1 month నుంచి వాళ్ళ పనులు పక్కన పెట్టుకొని they have been doing lot of things behind the scenes so that something can be good for you. We all consider you all as our family members. విజయరాజన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుంటే even one day is very important. The professionals in professional life, every day, every hour counts. But they invested around 1 month. So it tells how much is the belongingness between us. So, నేను ఈ కొన్ని సంవత్సరాలుగా I got an opportunity to, as part of alumni association, to work, to do something useful for you, because I consider it as my duty. And dear children, I am telling you honestly, you are one of the luckiest to be studying in this kind of institution where holistic development and all beautiful facilities and such a beautiful environment is there. So, మీరు జనరల్గా మనం మర్చిపోతుంటాము, ఇంత మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీని మీరు యూజ్ చేసుకొని మీ లైఫ్ మంచి చేసుకోవాలి. అండ్ ఐ వాస్ టాకింగ్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ యూ, 10th తర్వాత +1 +2కి బయటకు వెళ్తున్నారు చాలా మంది, థింకింగ్ దట్ సమ్ కార్పొరేట్ స్కూల్స్ గివ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. But let me tell you honestly, if you are serious about your education, you take care of all the advantages available here. Your teachers are very much knowledge and they can help you. You have very good library and digital resources are there. I hope most of the 10th standard students will continue even after 10th. Most of the times we think that outside corporate colleges are good. No, you are good. You can be exceptional. Every one of us were sitting just like you, and we think we don't know a lot of things. But I tell you, మీకు చాలా వచ్చినా, బట్ మీరు ఫోకస్ చేయండి, నేర్చుకోండి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. కొంచెం డిసిప్లిన్ అవసరం, మీరు కొంచెం పెద్ద అవుతుంటే డిసిప్లిన్ అవసరము. దట్ ఈస్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎవరో చెప్తే కాదు, మీకోసమే. యూ స్పాయిల్ యువర్ లైఫ్, you make your life, everything is in your hands. Other people will just do supporting role. That's all I want to say on this occasion. I was very happy I could serve this school. This school means a lot to us. The same way, I hope one day you will also do best in your life and serve your juniors. Yeah, thank you.